Okay, for a tangent of the other angle. So let me just call that phi, because this is a slightly different looking letter. So this is phi. That's 8 over 5, which means phi is tangent, okay, inverse of 8 over 5. Similarly here, tangent of phi for b will be 5.1 over 3.8. Okay, so phi will be tangent inverse of 5.1, 3.8. Okay, so I'm going to go straight into phi. That's tangent inverse of 6.4, 4.2. Tangent inverse of, this is phi, 20.6, 17.8. Okay, here, this is phi. Tangent inverse of 10.2, 7.3. Tangent inverse of, right, 15.2, 18.4. Okay, all we have now to do is to punch these things into the calculator. Alright, so here's what I get. So I guess accurate to 1 decimal place, it'll be like this. That's fine the way it is. This is 49.2. That's fine the way it is. This will be 39.6. Okay, these are all in degrees.